boom. Boom, boom, boom.
Just for starters,
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. What you gonna do, Ollie? What you gonna do? Where you going? 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 Where you going, baby? Where you going? Baby, where's it going? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Don't try to juke the camera, man.
no, there's nothing more to say.
Hey, buddy. How you doing? Cutie pie?
Okay.
Hey.
You've done well.
How you doing?
Okay. And we paid you well. Very well.
Oop.
We always have. If you want,
There he is.
I could get you an
Hello.
exclusive retainer.
Hello. How you
And that would
doing?
be on top of your signatures.
Good morning.
I could maybe even get you a job
Good
at
morning.
the station
There
and
he
start
is.
you as a
Hello.
production assistant.
Go behind me.
You could learn
Go
the
behind
business
me.
from
Okay,
the
that's fine.
you said you're interested.
What's he doing now? What's he doing? Where's he going?
You're not listening to me.
Where's he going? Are you going out to that side? All the way to that side. You ain't going for the quacko. For Ashley's quacko. On that way. For the quacko.
So you're threatening that if I don't, you're threatening to stop selling to me.
They're so cute.
That's your choice.
And so is she. She's so cute.
What somebody's willing to pay for it. You want
Whatever.
I want
Whatever.
Took one.
Give him a kiss.
No.
Not in the butt.
Jesus Christ. Friends don't pressure friends to fucking sleep with them.
Actually, that's not
He's watching for me. Twitching. Twitch. Twitch. Oh no, it's Twitch. Oh no. It's Twitch. Twitch. We got it. Yay. Woo. Call the crumbs. 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 All them crumbs. And this guy. This guy crumbs. Right there. There's crumbs right there. There's crumbs right there. Crumbs. Those are his. Mr. Ollie's crumbs. Bird butt. Bird butt.
He doesn't appreciate the camera.
Too bad. He's cute.
Okay, left on left and then 6 walks to the rim. You're putting me on the 5? Yeah, the 2 to the 5, the 110 to the 10. Did you read my traffic memo yesterday? Did I read it? Yeah, I read it. What did it say? About the 5. Yeah, I looked at it, okay, why? Well, for one,
Hi, Ollie.
it included the
Hi, Bo.
voting in
Ollie.
the fast
Nope.
lane for the next 3 weeks, so
Okay.
given that, I expect you to put me on the 2 to the 101 to the 110 to the 10.
Well.
That's how 460 does it. It's half dozen.
I just want me like crackers.
You didn't read what you said.
Love you.
You know
Love
the
you
reason
too.
the person